Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. On Friday we were selling this, so the price has been ranging around, it went nowhere. But for today guys, I'll keep it simple. Actually, for today it's not that simple because we are inside a bullish consolidation and we are bullish for today guys as long as the price is above at 1.34826 guys, we are buyers. And my target would be, my first target guys would be 1.353444. And that would be my only target for today. If we break up above that, we will be going higher. If we are unable to break above that, guys, we will be testing the bottom of the range, which is located at 1.34826. So anyways guys, if we break below 1.34826, we will be getting a correction that is due, and our target would be 1.34490. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money buying this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.